Hello everyone, welcome to our podcast. Today we are going to discuss an interesting topic. Should school start later in the morning?
This is an important topic because many students have to wake up very early, sometimes at around 5:30 or 5 a.m. Some students feel tired and sleepy during the first lesson.
Today we will discuss the issue, the arguments for and starting school later and conclusion.
So, what is the main problem?
Many schools start at around 6:30 or 7 a.m. Students will live far away, may need to wake up very early, and may not get enough sleep.
As a result, they can feel tired and have difficulty concentrating during lesson.
However, start school later could also creates problems for parents, transportation, and student activities after school.
So the question is, would starting school later help students learn better or would it create more problems?
I think school should later because students need enough sleep. Teenagers need proper rest to stay focused and healthy.
I agree if school start at 8 instead of 6:30. Students could have more time to sleep and prepare without rushing.
Another benefit is better concentration. When students are well rested, they can pay more attention to their teacher.
For example, imagine having a difficult mathematics lesson at 7 a.m. while you are still asleep.
So, the main benefits are better sleep, concentration, and mood.
Yes, exactly. But there are also some disadvantages. If school starts later, it will probably finish later too.
Why could that be a problem?
Students might have less time for sport extracurricular activities, tutoring, or other responsibility after school.
What about transportation and parents?
Transportation could become more complicated because buses and public transportation have fixed schedule. Parents who go to work early may also have difficulty managing their children's schedule.
Is there another problem?
Yes, starting later doesn't always mean students will sleep more. Some students might simply stay up later at night.
That's true. Students also need to manage their sleeping habits responsibly.
So starting school later could help students get more sleep and concentrate better.
Call also affect transportation, parents, extracurricular activities, and student schedule.
The solution is finding a balance. School could consider starting around 7:30 or 8 o'clock listed of 6:30.
I agree, even a small change could give students more time to sleep. I agree, as long as school carefully consider transportation and activities after school.
And students should use the extra time to sleep, not to stay awake longer. After hearing both sides, we can conclude but starting school later has good advantages and disadvantages.
The advantage include better sleep, concentration, and potentially better moods. The disadvantages include transportation problems, change to extracurricular activities, and difficult with parents' schedule.
School should consider the need of student, teacher, parents, and transportation system.
And students should develop good sleeping and time management habits.
So, school should start later in the morning.
Our answer is yes, possibly, but with proper planning and responsibility.
The goal is not simply to start school later.
The goal is help students learn better.
And to give enough time to rest.
While still considering the possible problems and responsibility.
That's all for today's podcast. Thank you for listening.